Hello, I wanted to create this video because some of my friends started to use Vim and I wanna help them out and basically everyone who is interested in this topic. Okay, so let's start Vim. You can just type Vim in any type of terminal and it will open. To open a specific file, I'll already create this one to show some stuff. You just need to provide path and press enter, and you will open this file. Okay, so let's start with some basic things like navigation. It's important, I think. You can move up and down by pressing J and K. By pressing J, you go down, and by pressing K, you go up. If you are not comfortable with using these shortcuts, you can just use arrows, but I recommend to learn this because it's really handy and so much faster than using regular arrows. You have to move your entire hand to press some arrows and next move your hand again to the home row of your keyboard. It's really it's really not comfortable for if you are if you will get used to uh, uh, H HKJL. It's really so much better. Okay, H and L is left right, uh, and the this is the more no it's the most basic thing you can do here. Okay, but this is not why Vim is superior. Vim is superior because of the motions and commands. And what does it exactly mean? Okay, if you have a word uh, like here, you can move by entire word by clicking W or E. If you will click W, you will skip this part and go to the next word. If you will press E, you will go to the end of current word. Uh, why is it useful? If you have longer text, you can move quickly, like really quickly, and in the long term, it's profitable, really. But you have to learn all of that. That's the one con, I think. Okay, so you have E and W to move forward. You have B to move backward by one word. Okay, so W and B. Okay. Uh, okay, so in Vim, you can uh, set how many times you want to execute specific motion. Motion is your movement, like uh, J and K, or E, W, and B. So I can press 2, you can see it right there, and W to move towards forward. It's the same with B. 2 and B, and I go towards backwards. Okay, you can do the same with H, L, K, it's exactly the same. You can go. I have these relative lines on the left. Uh, it's here because I can quickly, without doing any math, see there is a 5. I'm on line 10, and I can just press 5 and K, and I am exactly here. It's just quicker. I don't have to think much to move somewhere. Okay, what else? I can press dollar sign, so Shift and 4 to move to the end of current line, and I can press 0 to move to the first character on the line. There is one more thing I can press caret sign, so, Shift and 6 to the move to the first white space character. It will be easy to show like this. Caret sign to the first character, and it's skipping this part. Okay. So E, B, W, 0, dollar sign, and caret. These are the most important ones, I think. What can you do more with Vim? You have something called visual mode. It's important. Okay, I didn't mention that earlier. Okay, Vim have modes. When you open up Vim, you are in normal mode. In normal mode, you cannot type, you cannot do anything of that because in normal mode, Vim is expecting some commands of kind of motion. If you wanna add some text or insert some text, you have couple of ways to do that. You can press E and under your cursor you can just enter text, or you can press this is the most common one, E or A. A will place cursor one character to the next on right, and you can do the same. You can press Shift A to move your cursor to the end of the line and start typing, or Shift E to the beginning of the line and start typing. These are a couple of ways to do that. You have also visual mode. So there are three primary modes. It's visual mode, it's normal mode, it's insert mode, and it's visual mode. In visual mode, you can select some text and do something with it. For example, how you can copy text in Vim. When you press Y right here, nothing is happening. Vim is expecting to select some kind of you have to provide information what do you want to copy. If you press one Y, it stands for young. Nothing is happening. But when you select some text with visual mode, you can press Y and text is copied. You can paste it by pressing P, and it's there. But why is it important with all of the motions? In visual mode, you can obviously use motions, so you can press E, W, and B, and everything. Also, you have two different visual modes. You can press Shift V to select all line at once, and you can also navigate with motions, and you can press Ctrl plus V, and it's visual block. You can go up and down and select specific block of characters. Okay. So I think that would be okay. One more important thing. You can, of course, deleting characters would be useful, right? So there is D. It works exactly the same like with young Y. Why? You can press D, select something, and press D, and it will disappear. But it works also with motions, so you can press D and W, and entire word will disappear. You can press D to W, and two next words will disappear. It's the same with copy. You can press Y to W, and you will copy two next words. It's really, really cool and convenient, actually. Okay, you can press DD to copy entire line, and P to paste it. How much do you want? It's the same with YY. Double pressed Y, just copy entire line, and you can paste it also. Okay. Uh, next will be next example will not be useful, but it's really how to describe it. It's really cool to show off. Okay, uh, you can select all of this text. It's one line. You can see it there because I'm on this line, and uh, it's not displaying lines there. The next line is here. So this all chunk of text lorem ipsum is one line without any next line. It's just one long line. You can press something like ampersand. It's shift plus 7. And what? Wait. Okay. Why does it not work? Okay, never mind. It 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 doesn't work. So I will skip this one out. But you can do something else. The same thing actually, but with comment. I selected all of this text, and when I press column, I see something like this. It indicates beginning and the end of selected text, and you can type S. It stands for substitute, and with substitute you can replace, basically replace some characters with others. So if I wanna replace space character with new line, I will just press space, and new line is slash r, backslash r. Uh, Uh, and slash G means to all of this selected text, not for one particular first word. Okay, and now I have all of this in separated by space in right there. Uh, And to put it back, I can press Shift J, and it will automatically go back. But we can do something else. Here I am on line 14, and I can go here and press Shift J, and it will go back automatically. It's really cool. Okay, let's go back. What else? If you are programming, it will be really handy because not most, but a lot of programming languages have different types of syntax, maybe some verbose, ugly syntax. And this motion will really help with navigating through that. You can press, for example, D to delete, I and this character to delete content in this line of this in this block of characters. First motion I used was D, but you can use any other. It's really amazing. You can use any other motion to do that. You can press Y and I and this character again, and you will copy content between these two characters. Or you can press C, Y, and this character to delete this and put yourself in insert mode to change it to something like I don't know, math.h. It's really handy if you are programming. So not only if you are programming, because there are cases like this, and you wanna be fast and replace something in this to something like this, and this is convenient. You can have nested blocks of text like this. You can also do that like this for every specific character inside. Uh, it doesn't matter what it is. It's really handy. Okay. The next thing is one of the coolest thing I think I've seen in Vim. You can do math, and this is really powerful. Uh, I have some simple examples to do that, but it's really easy. Okay, when you press in insert mode Control plus R, you will see this character right there, and indication that you pressed Control plus R right here. When you after that press equals on your keyboard, you will get something like this. And right here you can write some text. Doesn't matter really, but you can do math here. If I put 2 plus 2, I get 4. And if you have some calculations in your notes or something on or any other place, you can just copy that like this, go to the end of the line, press Ctrl plus R equals, and paste it in. But how do you paste in this place? If I press P, nothing is happening. Just character is showing right there. In this mode, you can press Ctrl plus F, and you will get uh, every Vim like uh, text motions and everything right there. So you can just paste it because you copied it earlier. And now I can press just enter and I get an the result. Same thing right there. I can copy this, go to the end, press Ctrl plus R equals Ctrl plus F, P, enter, and I have my result. You can uh, use powers 3 to the power of 2. It's just a function. You can copy that and do the same thing. It will work. It's 9, obviously. Also, you can use square root. It works the same. Okay, but these are really simple examples. I wanna show how you can on big data how you can use this. I prepared this command to show how powerful math in Vim is. Basically, this command paste other command output here. It just will print lines from 1 to 150 in a in a in one by one. So I can go to the top and let's say I wanna add all of these numbers. And how do I do that? I can do this in couple of ways, but I think the easiest one is to add one plus sign to the end of all of these characters and paste it to paste it to this math mode. Okay, how do I do that? I can press visual and shift plus G to go to the end of the file. And now I can press column to enter command mode. And I can type norm A. It's like up, shift plus A I showed earlier. It will just add character at the end of these lines I will provide here. So I wanna add one plus and space, and it works. So now I wanna all of this paste in like all the things before. So I can select all of that, press Shift and J, and I have everything in Y line. I can now press V $sign to select all of this again, copy that, and sum everything up like before. Just paste it, and I have my result. It's really, really, really useful. And it's crazy. Also, you can search up for files with Vim. With E, you have working file explorer right here. You can delete files with it's showed everything here. What you can do. You can delete file with Shift plus D, and we will provide you this little information, yes, no, all, or quit, because you can select some files, uh, like 2 or 3 at once. It's also really cool. But I will show another example, which is here. There I have a lot of functions and everything. It's really big, uh, very big file. And let's say I wanna replace all of this content inside this for all of these functions. With Vmotions, I can do it right away. I can just select all of this and create macro and do that. Let's do that. Another thing is macro. You can record your movement, motions, and everything, and it will repeat when you call the macro which you recorded. So let's do that. You can start recording macro by pressing Q. It's right there, and you have to press another key which will indicate in which key you will save this. For example, Q, and when I next press add and Q, I will call this macro. You can have couple of macros. That's why you have to provide second key. Okay, so what I wanna do? I wanna go down. I wanna go. I wanna replace this content inside. How do I do that? I can no, maybe not replace, but delete. It will be easier. So D, Y, and this character, and it's deleted. And let's go over here, and I can end the macro, I think, by pressing Q. And now when I press add and Q, it will repeat what I just done, what I just did. Okay, so let's do this. And how many lines I have here? 19. So I can press add and Q, not, oh, sorry, not 19 right here, add and Q, and everything is gone. It's like magic. It's really cool. Okay. So I think this would be it. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Peace. Okay, I forgot to mention a really important thing. How do you exit Vim? It's also kind of a meme because a lot of people struggled with this. When you open Vim, you can press keys, and when you stop typing, you probably want to write everything on your hard drive and quit. How can you do this? You can just to write, you can press W, column and W to write as command. But if you haven't provide file name earlier, you have to type in path and file name, or just file name, like example.md. And it says example.md new, because it just created this written. And now I have this example.md. How do you exit Vim? You can exit Vim by pressing column and Q, but sometimes it will not allow you, right now. No write since last change, no write since last change for buffer example.md. You can get away with this by pressing Q and exclamation mark, but you will lost everything you haven't write earlier. So this part will disappear. But if you wanna save and quit at one time, you can just type W and Q, and you will save and quit. It's simple as that. Also, now I have two files here, example and showcase. Since Vim have a file explorer, you can select one of them to go. For example, I am in example right now, but I can go to the showcase and I can switch between these two files. And I can list buffers, which are those files, to list all of buffers I have open. And I can switch easily between these two by pressing, not pressing, but typing E and hashtag. Also, a really cool thing, you can split your entire terminal in Vim. How? By pressing Ctrl plus W and V for, but it's the same file and it's useless. But you can do this differently. For example, you open Vim, you open File Explorer and press V and you can open this. How you can navigate between these two, other than clicking mouse? Ctrl plus W and just like in Vim Motions, KL. So I wanna go right, so I will press L, and I am here. The same on the left. Ctrl plus W and left, and I'm here. And I can navigate through this really easy. And I can switch like this between these two. Also, worth to mention, Vim has built-in terminal support, and you can, if you want to check something, you can do this right there. Why is it useful? You can type some or copy from README or other documentation in Vim some comment. For example, echo hello world. You wanna copy that. So let's copy this. And now I can just do this. But since this is terminal in Vim, I can press P and I don't have to type that. It's just pasted. But I have to go to the insert mode, and now I can press enter and command worked. So it's also really handy. What else you can do? When you press O, you will start new line under D1 you were. So there from line 5 I go to line 6. You can go up uh, uh, no, not go up, but put everything one line down and start typing there by pressing Shift plus O. And I think that really would be it because I forgot some things. Okay, now peace and goodbye. Have a good day.